Right then, let's go to Robert Dyas, and it's Hoover test time. First one is the Bosch FX Power Hoover, and it's up to 65 minutes. And anyways, let's test this Hoover. And then the second one is that the Bellray Agility 2.2V handheld Hoover. So anyways, let's test this Hoover. How do we turn on this Hoover? Okay, so let's test this Hoover. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that Hoover's done, and next is the, oh my, it's brand new. I mean, new enough in 2017. It's that Bellray 2.2V line battery Hoover, and it's a multi-surface turbo flex Hoover. So anyways, and it's two in one. So let's test this Hoover. Okay, and next is that Black & Decker Vax. So anyways, it's a pet. I don't think it's a Vax. Will you guys answer this question? And it's a cordless lithium. And it's pet, like I said earlier. And what else does it say? Well, I think that's it. So anyways, let's test this Hoover. 3, 2, 1. Before we get to the next Hoover, I just need a tip. And now, and the fifth one is this Hoover handheld Hoover. I think this one's different now. So anyways, let's test this Hoover. And the last Hoover is this Power Brush Free Jet Hoover. It's a 14.4V and it's up to 25 minutes. Well, I don't think you'll like this Hoover because it has a stupid sound. So anyways, let's test this Hoover. Well, I don't think you'll like it. Well then, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Hoover test. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.
And also, why don't you comment which Hoover you like the best in the comments below?
Okay, subscribe to my channel.
And don't forget to like it.
Bye, everyone.